This particular meditation is a supplement to a dive deep assignment called the memory painting. I'm finding that a way to enter into transmuting our personal story or personal tragedy or personal anxiety and stress and giving it back to the planet for transformation and healing. As we heal ourselves, we heal the world simultaneously, and they weave together. That a way to enter that is through a trigger. And we're triggered usually by a story that we might lodge in our bodies, a memory that is good and bad. And I invite you to either spontaneously think of a memory that you want to work with a painting, or ruminate it over the course of a few days. There might be a particular thing you want to work with. If you feel safe enough, I invite you, the stronger the trigger, the more potent the experience and process work you'll get through this particular assignment. We all have our personal symbols that we don't even realize what we're repeating over and over. And sometimes working with a potent memory, we get the, that's what that is. That's what that abstract symbol is, or that's why I paint that house. So I invite you to start with a memory before we begin this meditation. I will lead you to a safe place. And this safe place is where you can go if you feel like you're being within the meditation, that it doesn't feel safe, you're being triggered, that you can immediately go to this place. I also want you to perhaps take note that when you are painting, you can also do this if you're triggered by sitting down, going to this safe place, and experiencing yourself in present time. And how we do that is to take in 5 things in a room. Look at your toes, look at your fingers, put your hand on your heart, maybe one on your belly and one on your heart, which is how I invite you to start this meditation. And take some deep breaths in. So find yourself in a comfortable position. Perhaps you will close your eyes, feet on the ground. We're going to take 3 deep breaths in and out. And each time you exhale, breathe something not needed out. And now imagine a grounding cord at the base of your spine. And any tension you might feel, just imagine a warm white light coming into the back of your neck, over your face, down your shoulders, into your belly, and send it right out your grounding cord into the Mother Earth so she can transmute and regurgitate and recycle back into healing. Right at your solar plexus, imagine a golden cord. And with this golden cord, in our mind's eye, we're going to see a golden path. And together, the cord will keep us in the present time. And as we move down the golden path, It's going to take you to a place of safety. What is safety to you? Are you inside or are you outside? Take in your surroundings in this safe place. How's the air, the temperature around you? Can you sense anything with your smell or hearing or taste? This is a place that brings you comfort and security that you can always return to again and again. Just take a few moments to be here. And now we're going to make a journey to a memory. With our golden cord, we're going to move ourselves to that time and place. Notice the season, winter, summer, spring, or fall. What time of day is it? If you were to look down, can you see your feet? What are you wearing? Maybe you might look at your hands. How old are you? And now take in the surroundings. Is it night or day? Are you alone or is anyone with you? With all your senses, bring yourself there. And as if you're a witness, take in what's around you. As if you're detached from the self but connected by your golden cord. Is there any sound? Anything said? And with compassion for yourself and the environment you're in, take in 5 things that are in and around you that you can bring back with you. It might be visual or not. It might just be a visceral sensation. Thank the place that you just were as you prepare to leave. And with our golden cord, we will turn and find the golden path that we came from. Returning first to our safe place. And then ever so gently, we bring ourselves to the place that we're sitting in present time. We might wiggle our fingers and our toes. Gently open your eyes. Take in the room you're in now. This exercise that we're about to embark on with a memory painting does not have to be exactly what you saw. You can hold the feeling and start there. Or you might want to work with representation. It's a place to enter. When I first did this exercise, which wasn't too long ago, I held on to one aspect of that memory. And what I noticed over the course of 2 days in painting is that the story was much deeper from that place and time than I had acknowledged. And healing started to take place as I had more breathing room in the painting itself, as I let that one moment change and morph. Everybody's different. Some of you might hold that one moment like a Polaroid picture and work from that. Or you might find that it morphs and changes, and there's no right or wrong way. We will meet again. Be well.